The most powerful people you meet are often the calmest. They don't speak unnecessarily. They don't react instantly. They don't get pulled into every noise around them. Yet, when they act, their action carry weight. Why? Because power does not come from constant activity. Power comes from your inner stillness. And that stillness is built in silence. Yesterday, in day 6, we practiced one task discipline. We learned how focused on one task builds depth and clarity. Instead of switching constantly, we trained the mind to stay in one direction. But today, we go deeper, even when single tasking becomes difficult. If the mind is constantly noisy, so today we train something more fundamental. That is, we train to be silence. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanita Ganesh Murthy, DGVG, your Vedic productivity coach and the founder of Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. And this day 7 of the Raise of Karyan 30-day discipline series. Today we are not just building productivity, we are building inner strength. Modern life is filled with noise, external noise, phones, messages, notifications, conversation, but more importantly, internal noise. Constant thinking, worrying, planning, remembering. The mind rarely gets a break. Even when you are sitting quietly, your mind is still active, jumping from one thought to another thought. This constant mental noise drains energy, it reduces clarity, and it weakens your focus because a noisy mind cannot stay steady. In Vedic wisdom, silence is not built absence of sound. It is a state of inner stability. There is a concept called mauna, conscious silence. Mauna is not about forcing yourself not to speak, it is about reducing unnecessary noise, both external and internal. When silence increases, awareness increases, clarity improves, emotional balance strengthens, and something powerful happens. Your mind stops reacting, it starts responding. This is where true power begins. Why silence builds power? When you reduce noise, you conserve mental energy. Instead of scattering attention everywhere, you begin to gather it. Silence creates space, and in that space, clarity appears. Decisions become easier, focus becomes deeper, and your actions become more intentional. This is why silence is not weakness, silence is strength in preparation. Karyans, today practice is simple. We introduce micro silence ritual. Step number 1, 5 minutes of silence. Take 5 minutes today. No phone, no talking, no input. Just sit quietly just for 5 minutes. Observe your breath, observe your thoughts. Do not try to control anything. Just observe. Step number 2, reduce unnecessary talking. Notice how often we speak without need. Today, reduce unnecessary words. Speak only what is meaningful. Step number 3, fast before responding. Before replying to a message or reacting to, fast. Even a few seconds of silence can change your response. Step number 4, silently start to work. Before starting your task, sit in silence for a few moments. Let the mind settle, then begin. Real life observation, I have noticed something interesting. People who practice silence regularly become calmer in stressful situation. They don't react instantly. They observe first and become of that their decisions are very stronger. Their words carry more value. Their presence feels powerful, not loud but steady. Reflection, fast for a moment. Karyans, ask yourself, how much noise exists in my day? How often do I give my mind a moment of silence? What would change if I created small pockets of stillness? Today, in day 7 of the Rise of Karyan series, we are not just building discipline, we are building inner power. Silence is not emptiness, silence is strength gathering itself. The calmer your mind becomes, the more powerful your actions will be. Raise and grow just 1% every day the Vedic way. If you're part of this journey, make sure you subscribe for the Vedic Productivity Talks and you practice today completely. Comment below. Day 7 done. Silence practice. Let's rise together as guardians. Until then, I wish you to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.